Owesha adagraja eba wonten ebeka say papa a human error in the man e free mu. Now the question here is a human error no, was it in the house or it was in the hospital? And I cause that human error eba upon e free mu. Afi enra egrofo say Lumba anya will be any baby bia eno nam so papa shee so abonten abedi enkomo e dia fa ho. Na there is one powerful woman bia over Dubai. At the time me no and I said me ko Dubai no na o Dubai what da na o teacher ni o Dubai. We a very powerful woman na ordinary no atum aka ensem bi na wa Maame Akosua Serwaa advice. Maame no very powerful. Na iwe betie sa ensem ni nyanti mesre baby wo bia no oba so no etimi subscribe like no pia share na enkomo no etimi akoye. So fast forward yeni kai enwa mu na yenkoti enkomo a epie mu e ma papa shee ebe di enkomo efa se Lumba eye well anase wanye well no yini ka enti papa shee e wo this side
wa down for that Lumba so ya we so ni paboni ni
le brother Lumba
o brother Lumba so ni paboni ni pa
menim de o kan ji so
ka o brother ntimi anya wela papa shee you know you are even like you say wasre
many
so that make you say wasre
many me serious de bia
papa so ni so wa down for wadi ni paboni sempa
bibi enim se o well ho and oni
well can you be free Germany about file for it you know it's not true
Maame cancer ba control me brother nko intimi nya well without Sister Serwaa.
Facts.
Because
I like that.
Legally. I worry.
I like that. It's okay. Legal. Trust me, come on. So that means Property. That means say the woman is in a comfortable lead.
Maame cancer ba control. Don't forget say omo worry ordinance. Worry ordinance. Untimi nkoye well no without a wife be sign and awo ono so be ye no so assign o untimi fa ope because the japade ne obra no mo boy no omo hia 1985 oh yes
Kwajoni enwo
me pajo so ade omo hia 1985 yes e bi go America no say go for omo ye na
omo na me peda omo nyina
pajo so ade
that is
Maame Akosua
what he say
yeah 1 year Maame Akosua say 1 ni wura Charles Kwajufusu omo atra aduro fi e wo Germany so ade ase omo mienu atra aduro fi e na omo hia connection my odi Akosua na be fa Charles so koye so ade ase e na omo ko city political asylum e na omo ko hia aduro fi e na omo hu omo e na omo hia abrabo asenkete
wow
asa no omo ba Ghana 91 no be sre mam se wa e ware no memi timu bi so ade ase tina akola bi gogodu tu anu ma ho se me boni di am ti wana me sre so ade ase e na obi bi antimi nkwahihye will bi e wo kona bi mfa ma me kire mpani vozi emudi yo ade ase dina nyagopo ama ya ti ase so so ade ase we ye German citizen the German for nsem said o ma hye no sa pepepe na ekono Charles ntimi nya will without say mam se wa engawo
eno aye papa shee ena we hu sense wa ebi mu Lumba so bo se wanya we nti enkrofo akeka nsem fun ni nsem oyi kire no eno na papa shee e de emunchi mu no etumi aba now before se be ram ewo aposi for inquiry am ba be no mesre yini kan enwam ewo this powerful woman America se o Dubai no tama me ko Dubai no na owo ho no me ye mehwe mu aka de se we teacher ni ewo ho no ma me se ko Dubai those who know the America no munim or very powerful or very very powerful and so we will be a follow the nsem ni ade a you be motivated ade bia wuntimi nya kra no he by listening to this woman no you begin to do it I know what I'm talking about yenko na yenko tie ensem a Maame ama sana Dubai dodo na on media no so dodo afre no sister ama your friend ama Mansah or something me refi ni phone name no but ni di ama na de me kai pa now yentie ensem Maame no e di ama any advisor or the Maame Akosua Serwaa.
And why would she donate to anybody? You don't realize that all the parties who are jumping up and down in this Lumba case are all doing so because of what they stand to get. So if this one is also doing the same for what she stands to get, who will be for her? And who do you want her to be for? Except for herself and God for us all. So I've had a couple of long messages, and I want to tell you this. This is a message that doesn't even need to be sent. As for me, where I have investments, I expect payouts. Yesterday, I sat here and I wrote to one of my insurers requesting a partial settlement of an investment I have with them. And I want them to send me the money into this bank account so that I can use that for my life. I did send that. I went to their system actually. I sent them the request. They sent me information to my email. I found that in my email, logged into their system, and I put my claim in. It is something I have paid for, especially this thing. I have paid for it for 10 years. It is mine. It is my money. I am entitled to it. And when I want, I claim it. I just did. And I own property with my husband. You best know that I am very entitled to the property that I own with my husband. My cash has gone into that. My time has gone into that. My investment is into that. I know that my husband has side investments that I haven't been involved in. But if I want to claim some stakes in those investments, I can always claim that too. What is my entitlement? My entitlement is that I stayed in this house, that I took care of business. Yeah. Some of those investments were made because I was holding down certain parts. He was able to free money to do some of those things because I was availing money to take care of some other things. So yeah, you may do things with my husband. It may not have had my name on it, but my investment was still reek of my investments, indirect investments, because you need to take care of certain things in order for a person to be able to go and do certain things. In his music career, Akosua Serwaa would have to hold their children, ground their children, care for the very children that all of you were pointing at. Such well-behaved children, such well-raised. Those children were not raised by Lumba. Akosua Serwaa's children were never raised by Lumba. Even whilst he was still in Germany, he was on the road. I was watching a comedian pay tribute to his wife, thank his wife for raising the children, acknowledging that even he himself would not have known how to do that even if he was here. But to see one person stand and do what she's done, phenomenal. And when I watched it, I'm like, at least there are some people who know what their spouses do to make things possible. Whilst, he says, I am on the road earning the bread, but it is she who is securing our future, making sure our children are grown. She is the one who takes the money and makes sure the mortgage goes to the right place. She knows which goes into which investments and whatnot. She does that. Yeah. If you stay with a person, and this man's wife is a housewife, she doesn't work. She's home. But it doesn't mean that what he goes to earn is just for him. There is an understanding of you take care of this, so I go take care of this. So whatever comes from this is for both of them, and they are both entitled. There are many women who have now been socialized to think that you should be giving your property out for charity. You should not. That you should donate your hard work to those who don't know what it took to get you there. You should not. That it is somewhat disgraceful to be seeking property. Why is it disgraceful? That you, who is legally entitled, should be ashamed of what you are entitled to, but other people who know nothing of how it came by will come and claim it and go live by it. Don't let anybody talk that nonsense in your presence. Never mind you listen for 1 second. Listen. If you are entitled to something, it is yours. Even if you don't need it, it is yours. Even if you don't want it, it is yours. If you want to claim it, and this would be how I would be, I'm telling you, if I find you in entanglements where my property are, you best know, this is my open declaration, you best know that I will come for it. I will come for it with everything I have. If I don't want it, I will still come for it and I'll give it to charity. Me. It belongs to me. I can give it to whoever I want. Don't think that you would outmuscle. And women have sat and we have watched people do. We have not felt the need to claim because we are shamed into not coming for. It will not happen anymore. What is the 62-year-old fighting for property for? She is here fighting for property. She's worked for her entire life. She's made some serious sacrifices to get what she gets. And so if she's here to take it, of course she should take it. She's asking for six houses. How many houses can she? Why do people buy 6 houses? And how is it your business what she does with her investments? Look at her. She should be ashamed of herself, standing and waving to crowds. She is now a celebrity. Those of you who open TikTok and you get 3 followers, you think you are celebrities. You are influencers. You want to wield that influence and you want to enjoy it. Some of you who are making the most noise about this feel justified in the place you stand because you are followed by 3 people. She is now drawing crowds. She has more influence than you. And she wants to enjoy the influence she's got. Unlike most people, the influence she got is influence she worked for. She is enjoying her influence as an executive producer of a legendary musician. We've seen it on the album sleeves. That says who she is. And she's enjoying her stake. It's come to her and she's enjoying it. What is your problem again? Why is it that you have no problems whilst people are investing, but you have an issue when people are reaping their investments? Hush your mouth and let people think. And those of you who are tempted to listen to this foolishness for 5 seconds, be thou saved from the foolishness. Let your mind be restored to where sense should be positioned. Yeah. Think about what you put in and know that what you get out is your return on investment, is your ROI. And don't let anybody pressurize you to give up that which you are entitled to not take that which you should take. You should take it, and take it you should. Listen, I'm telling you, this Lumba thing exposes so much about how our society sees women. The stupidity that a lot of men want women to accept as normal. Family members, friends, religious people, all positioned to make women give up that which we are entitled to and to take breadcrumbs. We are supposed to let go of the meal and lick the crumbs from the ground. No more. If your husband and you have a property, you have a stake in that property. And when the time comes to take your share, take it. Take it. Take it. I tell you this because I think it's important that most of you understand some of these things, and you know that if you work for something, you should get the return. And when people agree with you, you should still get your return. When people don't agree with you, you should still get your return. If it makes you popular, eho. If it makes you unpopular, oho. Your investment was not paid for by popularity, and your investment should never be taken from you because of popularity. Akosua Serwaa is here, and I think she's teaching a lot of lessons. Some of us make that mistake. We watch and let things happen, and she is now also demonstrating that there comes a time that a person has to take a stand. And if you are brave enough to take a stand, things could change in your favor. We've seen things change in her favor. We've seen those who stood and watched things happen now take a stance. She's now going down the traditional rulers of their village, and they are all now beginning to position themselves in particular ways. She's calling on people. People are calling on her. There are people who should have been religious voices that spoke a long time. And one person who excites me really, I've mentioned this in a video before, is Osebo the Zaraman. Osebo the Zaraman used to be a guy that a lot of young men went to. We don't want to marry. We don't want to. He has a famous baby mommy, and his issues with women have also come in the frame before. But it's nice to see Osebo. I've seen his recent video when he was talking about his regret for having children with various women. And I've seen him now position, I've seen him talk about his belief in doing what is right. And yeah, it's hitting the right chords with me right now. So he excites me. If he doesn't excite you, that's fine. I'm not you. I don't share your views. I don't come from your village. Feel free to keep your views. I'm telling you where I stand and the things that excite me. And on this page, we will tell it as is my position. I'm very excited to see Akosua Serwaa. It is called redemption. And I think redemption for Akosua Serwaa will be redemption for many other younger versions of Akosua Serwaa. So it's good. Claim what is yours. Don't sit and watch and let animals eat from your farm whilst you starve. Never. Don't do it.
Abusua, me catch you say Maame were very powerful. Personally, me for what wouldn't me dear, but me I know her from Dubai. That time I'm in Dubai, no, me didn't Maame were very powerful and very influential. Oh, media and so very influential. Oh, media and so. Or kasa, or you bold. It like when you enna me say enna I say Debbie, we're straightforward. We a straightforward woman. It depends on what kind, you know. I believe say well positioned and somehow what they Maame Akosua Serwaa bringing in Osebo the Zara man say what me I'm making the position known to the public. So on no or standing by Maame Akosua Serwaa. Ini na nam so Maame ama bo Osebo abaso na afi wo se chese nia Maame Akosua Serwaa deserve bia no ohwe won claim me na ma on tena ho ema nia wagunu obi betwa emfa nko free ade bi o deserve property bi o deserve ade bi ye investment bia no won claim me iti eno eye futu a Maame ama edema no na yemfa we ento aso
me ho ase because still na no say human error na
the claim human error na Agjaraja eka wa hanom no right
yeah.
It's a value a very valued statement and a signally adie say and I say a cementia sema can say there is a dispute about the official cause of that Lumba, like the official cause of his death. A signally a dispute say there is something wrong. A sounds to justify say there should be a formal inquiry. If Ghana was a serious country, there should be a formal inquiry as to
a national inquiry
exactly to determine what actually happened.
Yes, but nobody's paying attention.
The human error here incriminates the bank hospital.
Right away.
It
right
incriminates
away.
bank hospital.
The Ghana police should right away drive to the bank hospital.
Thank you.
Ajagwaja should be called. And Ajagwaja should be called first to answer to the questions that to confirm who really called him.
And the human error thing he's talking about,
yes.
Because now it incriminates bank hospital.
The trial will lead to bank hospital,
and it incriminates
that death took place. So the doctor that was on duty that day cannot tell us. We cannot see it. They have the alibis, they have the register, they have everything. Yeah. So they should go. The police should go and fish that doctor out and ask for what happened on that day, the alibi of that Lumba. Because according to Serwaa here, it was after a short illness. According to Ajagraja, it was not. He wasn't even sick. It just happened like that. I don't know.
Yeah. Another thing also said, another thing also said, Mimi Hone said, because I feel say we should have a private investigator.
At this point, my platform will soon have a pay.
Yeah, so
okay. Also fly in America, Krana. We will raise money and then do that. That private investigator.
Yes. Otherwise, no creno.
Yeah,
because on Ajagraja's statements, no bank hospital, you are in trouble. Meaning you don't have certified people.
Of course.
Secondly, you raise questions about the caretaking and the supervision and the medical oversight of that Lumba. In this case, it incriminates BRONII.
Yes, straight.
Now, now I can say, oh, yeah, can't. This is what the law is saying. When you read the Ghana's Coroner's Act 1969, Act 18, it say, Obia obe aware, anyone who becomes aware of Obi Ewuono, and I say what caused someone's death, on Obi Enimna or no Onimno. The law says, the person has got a legal duty to report it to the police immediately. Failure to notify the coroner, the person can be fined and you can be jailed for that. So if in this case, there is a legal opportunity for action, if the family believes the circumstances of the death were unknown and it was unspecified, the caretaker also didn't report to them, there is a legal action. This serves as a platform for them to take legal action on just this statement. This law gives ground to call for an official inquest right away. Say, obviously there was a human error. Meaning say nipa nim and the Coroner's Act nipa say or say on kan dia onim. Especially when the family members feel say nah, there's something wrong. Also, under the Registration of Birth and Death Act, or say a registered medical practitioner must issue a cause of death certificate, and the death must be recorded with the registrar. And then a birth and death registry we don't know what killed the man. We don't know what killed the man. So we can SLV as a platform for them to even sue a friend say Ajagraja. The family members, if they had the means, it calls for them to sue your friend saying Ajagraja.
They will do that. Say list,
Because see, you guys are in America, right? Oko Mississippi, there was an issue that happened in Jackson or Mississippi that authorities buried people. And they say they buried these people without not even informing their family members. Say, they buried them. After 1 month, several family members searched for their people. Do you know there was a federal investigation into that? And people were incriminated, say, and it was just an accident too. When I say like they had a car accident.
Wow.
That's an Ghana. Sorry, yeah. Thank you. There was a federal investigation in Jackson, in Mississippi.
Wow.
You can pull it out.
It's America. It's a civilized world. They will look at everything,
So the issues are there. People feel say, and the reason why, do you know why we are shouting? So I'm going to tell you. It's not even about that Lumba. It's about it's about me because at the end of the day, said that Lumba newuna yensminya a correct account as to what killed
that Lumba call a superstar crying.
Exactly. And so also over Irakra. So this thing I can asema papa we be see it even serves as a platform for them to take action. Because once you know the cause of someone's death, you have to report it. So if it is human error, you've got to report it. And tell us and come and explain as to say about saying a human error. But then again, Ghana has got laws by a Nijuma and it makes it a banana republic.
Okay, it's a seminar and we be able to see and Oba now watch your wagini. Team legal wise, we move.